Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to have a look at some variations of algebraic identities that we have learned. Okay, let's do the first one. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y in bracket multiplied with x square minus xy plus y square. Let's solve RHS. We'll multiply each term in this bracket with each term from this bracket. So let's first start with x. X into x square, x cube, x into minus xy, minus x square y, x into y square is plus xy square. Now let's do y. Y into x square is plus y x square or x square y, I can write. Y into minus xy is minus xy square. And y into y square is plus y cube. Now if you see here, it is x cube as it is minus x square y and plus x square y. Similarly, we also see plus xy square and minus xy square. So these terms are going to get cancelled out, and what is going to remain is x cube plus y cube, which is LHS. Hence verified. Let's do the next one. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket x plus y plus z. In a bigger bracket now, x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Now we remember the identity. So we have learned this identity. Now if you see here, let's compare. The left hand side is same here. In the right hand side, this is same. And that means we need to prove that half of this is same as this. So let's try to prove that. X minus y square. What is x minus y square? That is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Y minus z square is y square minus 2yz plus z square. And z minus x square is z square minus 2xz plus x square. Let's simplify this. This will be x square plus y square minus 2x plus y square plus z square minus 2yz. So here it is xy minus 2xy and plus z square plus x square minus 2xz. Now this is x square and x square like terms, y square, z square, like terms. So we will add them, and that we get 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz. If we see there is a 2 common, so we can bring that 2 out and cancel out with this half. This 2 common will come out and will cancel out this half, and that remains x square. And this is we wanted to prove. Half of this we wanted to prove with this, and hence proved. Okay, let's do the next one. If x plus y plus z is 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. We have an identity which says that x cube we know this identity. Now let's put here x plus y plus z is equal to 0. If we do that, this term becomes 0. 0 into this full term. 0 into anything is 0. Now we can shift this minus 3xyz on the right hand side. And that gives us what we were looking for. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Let's do the next one. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of the following. Okay. If you see here, it is 3 cubes are there and they are added. So it is in the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube. And where x is minus 12, y is 7 and z is 5. And if you see, we add x plus y plus z, 7 plus 5, 12, minus 12, 0. So is equal to 0. We'll use this identity. Okay. And hence is equal to 3 into x into y into z. And that is 12 5s are 60, 67s are 420, 423s are 1260. And there is one negative number, odd number of negative numbers, so answer is minus. So minus 1260 is the answer. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.